I really want to continue on the theme of vision. I want to thank the governor for his vision in 2019. See, if we had a time machine, we could go back to 2019 and everything looks rosy now, right? You plant a seed and now we're harvesting some of the rewards of our vision, right? But when you go back to 2019, you know that there was a lot of consternation around a $45 billion capital bill. People were like, oh, you're crazy to do it. You don't do it, and we did it, right? And so oftentimes you hear about vision, but the other thing that you don't hear about that goes right along with vision is courage, right? And so we had to, in that time and in that moment, we had to vote on the capital bill with the promise of future fruit. Well, as Leader Hoffman has said earlier, we were in East St. Louis earlier of Rebuild Illinois funding. We're here. See, this doesn't take place without Rebuild Illinois, right? And so part of having a vision is having some faith. And you got to step out on that, and you got to believe in ultimately your leader. And we have one of the best leaders in the country, in the governor right here. And if you don't mind, give him a round. Really quickly, Leader Hoffman alluded to this as well. We work as a team. My district is senatorial district, Leader Hoffman, Representative Stewart, former Representative Greenwood. When we were in the General Assembly together, we worked as a team. We would always meet. We would always talk about what strengthens our region. And ultimately, voting on this bill was what we decided to do. And going forward, we're really winning. Now, really quickly, 2 years ago, we came out here and it was nothing but dirt. I could see all the way across it is amazing. In 2 years, we're standing inside of a multi-million-dollar facility to train a workforce in manufacturing and all the aspects of manufacturing, right? The latest and greatest machines, even though they don't want us here and they keep making noise, that's okay. There you go, on cue. But there is a demand for manufacturing jobs across this country. And there's a report that says in 2030, there's going to be 4 million manufacturing jobs, of which 2.1 million will be unfulfilled. You can go into manufacturing and make a livable wage, family-sustaining wage, right? And companies it's in demand. And so what we're really doing, again, going back to the analogy of planting seeds, we're planting seeds. This will be a hub for future manufacturers, for entrepreneurs to start businesses. It really is a winning formula. And I'm so happy that we had the opportunity to experience this, to vote on something and really watch something grow from the ground as this building. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to keep up to date with the news from the caucus. For more information on what I'm working on, please follow me on social media using the links in the description below.